Hello, my name is Tatenda Chiwanga and today's random business idea is timber. Yes, my prank. Right. All of the houses that you see in Zimbabwe right now have got timber trusses. So this has to be the most lucrative business in Zimbabwe right now because people will forever be building. And if you want me to share more about the timber business, please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below, because this is a gold mine. Okay, this is a timber mine. And if you like this, I can share with you how you can get in the timber industry, the equipment that you need, who you need to talk to, and how you can make this business work for you for a little investment. Yes, you will need a bit of money to invest, but it's not even as much as you think. The market is so in need of timber right now. So like, subscribe, comment, and I will know that you're interested in knowing how I paid my wife Surora ne Maritim.